ਧੰਨ ਹਨ ਧੰਨ ਹਨ ਧੰਨ ਹਨ ਪਰਮ ਪੂਜਨੀਕ ਸੱਚੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਦੇਵ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਧੰਨ ਹਨ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। Guru Pai Sath Sangat Jiyo, with Maharaji's Kirpa, in this video we'll be learning the importance of taking support and guidance of Gurbani within our lives. ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਰਤਾਜ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਦੇਵ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਫਰਮਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਸਿੱਖੋ ਹੋ ਸਾਬਤ ਦੋ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਹੋ ਜਨਮ ਮਰਨ ਕੀ ਟੇਕ, ਮੁਖ ਊਜਲ ਸਦਾ ਸੁਖੀ ਨਾਨਕ ਸਿਮਰਤ ਏਕ. Our beloved fifth Guru, Dhan Dhan Guru Arjan Sahib Ji Maharaj, tells us, blesses us with a sikkha, that my beloved Gursikhs should learn Gurbani. By learning Gurbani, take support and guidance of it. Janam maran ki tek. From the moment we are born till the day we die, we should take support and guidance of Gurbani within our lives and learn Gurbani. By learning it, they mean, jo ਆਪਾਂ ਗੁਰਸ਼ਬਦ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਵਾ, ਉਹਦਾ ਭਾਵ ਹੈ ਕਿ we to learn it and apply it within our life. Make it useful, make it practical. Because Maharaj says, Mokh ujal sada sukhi nanak simrat ek. That those Gursikhs who take Gurbani, who use Gurbani as the anchor within their life, their faces are radiant within the love of Akal Purkh Vaheguru Ji. Mokh ujal sada sukhi. They are forever happy. They obtain that true fulfillment, that true enjoyment of life. Mokh ujal sada sukhi nanak simrat ek. By meditating on that one Akal Purkh Paripuran Vaheguru Akal Purkh Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. As Guru Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji in their Ratnama bless us with, Dohu Guru Granth Mein Bani Joi, Chon Chon Kant Kare Nit Soi. Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji through Bhai Desa Singh Ji give us this blessing as well. That Guru Ji tells us that the Khalsa should take shabds from Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj and Dhan Dasam Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Take shabds, learn them and make them practical. And to look into the Jeevani of Sant Baba Gurbachan Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj Pindranwale and how they took and used Gurbani within their life. From when they were learning Brahm Vidya and learning Sant and Katha from Sant Baba Sundar Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj, some of the classmates, some of the Singhs started to become jealous and doing Irkha and doing Nindya of Sant Baba Gurbachan Singh Sahib Ji. So they heard this Nindya and this jealousy, and they went straight to Sant Baba Sundar Singh Sahib Ji and told them what was happening. Sant Baba Sundar Singh Sahib Ji told them that you should learn and do job of Karan na suna kahu ki ninda sabte jana aapas ko manda. And that by doing abhyas and meditating on the meaning of this Gurshabd, that your problem will be solved. So Sant Baba Gurbachan Singh Sahib Ji did Sawa Lakh job of Karan na suna kahu ki ninda sabte jana aapas ko manda. So when we face any problems with our life, be irkha, be depression, anxiety, or we want to have good virtues within our life of mittha bolna, talking sweet, being a forgiving person, an encouraging person, we need to use Gurbani within our life to do that. Only through Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji's Kirpa, only through falling at the feet of Guru Granth Sahib Ji and listening and doing, making their Upadesh practical, ਉਹਨੂੰ practical ਕਰਨਾ, we find fulfillment and happiness within our life. So in this video, we'll be learning the concept of Sabdi Siddhi and how we can use Sabdi Siddhi within our life to use Gurbani, to learn Gurbani, to use Gurbani and to make Gurbani practical and to reap all the blessings of Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So in the basic sense of Sabdi Siddhi means, Sabd here means Dhan Dhan Guru Granth Sahib Ji Upadesh Gurbani. Siddhi hundi a to obtain something, is the cheez di prapti karni. So Sabdi Siddhi in here means to obtain the Gurbani of Dhan Dhan Guru Granth Sahib Ji and ingrain it within our hearts, ingrain it within our mind, within our roam, so that we can never forget Gurbani. So when someone swears at us, when someone is yelling at us or someone is angry, we can instantly start doing jap of Frida Bore da Pala Kare Gussa Mane na Handaye. Or if someone's doing Nindya, we can start doing jap of Haunte Sukol Kamaya Par Ninda Sune Aap Hitava. So like this, we need to be able to do jap and memorize Gurbani and think of Gurbani when we're in any situation within our lives. So if a Parta Roop comes within our drishti when we're at school or at work, we need to do jap of Partra Roopo Na Pekha Netar Sad Ki Tahal Sant Sang Het. Here's a few examples of shabds we can use in certain situations. So with Maharaji's Kirpa, we have more videos coming on this topic using this concept to learn Gurbani. So within the rest of the video, you'll see a step-by-step tutorial of how to use Sabdi Siddhi within our lives and to get the blessings of Tan Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Sat Sangat Ji, an easy and effective way of learning Gurbani and building a relationship with Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is through a concept frequently talked about and discussed by Bhagat Jaswant Singh Ji that is known as Sabdi Siddhi. And using this concept with Gur Prasad, we can apply the teachings given by Guru Granth Sahib Ji within our lives and take their support and asra. Using this concept of Sabdi Siddhi, we can also have a more Gurbani-focused relationship with our family and friends. As Guru Granth Sahib Ji tells us, Sokhe Baisaho Sant Sajjan Parvaru Hare Tano Khatteo Ja Ka Nahe Somaru. So how do we do Sabdi Siddhi? Well, Bhagat Jaswant Singh Ji tells us that to start off, that every house should have a blackboard that's dedicated to writing an entire Gurbani Shabd or at least 2 lines with its meaning. We need to understand that the Gurbani written on the board, or matter of fact, Gurbani written anywhere, is the Pratak Darshan of Param Pujnik Sache Satguru Sri Guru Nanak Dev Sahib Ji. Because Guru Granth Sahib Ji tells us, Bani Guru, Guru hai Bani, Veche Bani, Amare Sare. As we all know, every second in our life is precious. And to make the most of our time and to make our time on this world fruitful, we need to learn and follow Guruji's teachings. It is important to do Satkar of Gurbani as much as possible. So place the board in a clean area of the house or the Gurdwara where all members of the family and Sangat can get together and do Abhyas of the Shabd. For example, we take medication when our body is diseased. In the same way, when the mind is affected by the diseases of Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar, we will only find peace after taking the medication of Gurbani. Because Maharaj tells us, Kate rog pae man nirmal, hare hare aukhado khayo. So what do? You start off by writing any Gurbani Shabd, any Gurbani line on the board that you want to memorize, you want to learn, and that you can take support and guidance of within your life. After writing the Gur Shabd on the board, Sangat should get together and learn the correct pronunciation of the Gurbani on the board by doing a Kalli Kalli Lag, meaning learning each and every single letter, vowel, pauses, along with the meaning of the Shabd. Once everyone has learned the correct pronunciation, everyone should test each other to see if they've learned it correctly. The entire Sangat should then recite the Gur Shabd 25 to 100 times, after which individuals should do their own job at home or throughout their daily routines at least 1,000 times. With this type of Niyam routine set, members of the Sad Sangat, while doing their daily routine, will instinctively start to do job of the Gur Shabd in order to complete their job before meeting the Sangat again. So Guru Pyare Sat Sangat Ji, an emphasis is given to Shabds within Bhagat Jaswant Singh Ji's Garibi Wali Pothi. The Shabds within this Pothi are selections of Gurbani with their meanings and sakhiyan from Tan Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji and Tan Tan Sri Guru Dasam Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj and Bhai Gurdas Ji's Wara. An immense abhyas of these Shabds have been done by Mahapurukhs such as Sant Baba Gurbachan Singh Sahib Ji Maharaj and Sant Baba Bishan Singh Sahib Ji and other great souls. By doing abhyas of Nimrata, Garibi Wale Shabds, our mind becomes more humble, at peace, and we become a more loving, compassionate, forgiving Gursik. And effortlessly, Sahaj we get to connect with the Tan Guru Granth Sahib Ji, with the Sat Sangat, and ultimately we get the Hirday Muj Amrit and Dimag Jabani. As Satguru Ji says, Pao Pagate Kare Neech Usadaye, To Nanak Mo Kantare Paye, Garibi Gada Hamari, Khanna Sagad Re No Chari. So Guru Pyare Sat Sangat Ji, to obtain this Pothi, you please visit gursevak.com or download our app, Learn Shuddh Gurbani, available on Android and Apple. Once you have obtained the Pothi and its audio, to memorize and to learn these Gur Shabds, you can listen to it using headphones or audios and speakers over and over again until you have it memorized. And then you can do kirtan of those shabds to help memorize and solidify it within our memory. So Guru Pyari Sat Sangat Jiyo, in this video we'll learn the concept of Sabdi Siddhi and the importance of taking support and guidance of Gurbani within our lives. In the next video, we'll see more practical sense of how to actually apply the concept of Sabdi Siddhi within our family, within satsang, within our friends. So Guru Pyari Sat Sangat Jiyo, Das has made many mistakes doing Vachar. Please forgive me. Sada sada eho bhulan haru, Nanak rakhan haru aparu. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.
Bole so Nihal Sat Sri Akal. Bole so